Hi, I'm Dr. Wallach from Town & Country Veterinary Hospital in Town & Country, Missouri. Today we're going to talk about what we can do about those old dogs with those bad joints. There are lots of different options. The most important thing we do is make sure they are not overweight. Weight is one of the biggest problems we deal with overweight dogs. The other things we can do is do things to help rebuild cartilage and keep fluid within the joint with things like glucosamine supplements and injectable adequine. These are just two of the many different options we can do to help rebuild the cartilage and help with the mobility and the fluid within the joints themselves. The other thing we can do is cover the pain. Obviously we can use lots of pain medications. There's anti-inflammatories, there's even stronger medications than that, but some of them that we use are things like Medicam and Rimadyl, which are our typical doggy aspirins, but we don't want you to use over-the-counter aspirin. It is not safe in animals. Talk to your veterinarian about what are the anti-inflammatory products that you can use for your animal. There are even some diets that we can use to help with joints. One of them is a prescription diet called JD. This itself adds lots of omega fatty acids, it has lots of glucosamine supplements in it, and all of those things work out anti-inflammatory, again rebuilding that cartilage in the joint, helping with that looseness in the joints, and it's just another thing that we can do to make your old dog comfortable. Exercise is still very important in your elderly dogs. You want to try to pick the exercises that are least concussive on the joints. Running an old dog is not as good as something like swimming. Swimming is great. It makes them really have to work those muscles. The more muscles that they maintain, the less effort that is on the bones and the joints, and the less pain that's going to be associated. So keeping your weight down in your animal, keeping them exercising to keep those muscles maintained in the body, and then covering the pain is going to be the best way that we can keep our old dogs comfortable. For ARF.com, this is Stacey Wallach from Town & Country Veterinary Hospital.